In 2022, ndio Ruto achague Gachagua. Remember Gachagua hakuwa amepata the majority of the votes to become the deputy president. Time yenye UDA walikuwa wana vote, wakichoose who is going to be the flag bearer, wakachoose Ruto, and who is going to be the deputy. They chose the current deputy, Kindiki, but Ruto akafeel, me, I need Gachagua. I need someone like Gachagua because mdomo yake during campaign ndio kila mtu anataka. So now, Gachagua is free and he can campaign against this government. They forgot that Gachagua mdomo yake ni nini, but there's a documentary they did with the Kenyan historian, and they said, wenye walimu impeach the parliament, walidhani, within like 1 month, 2 months, atakuwa me cool off, atakuwa me die off. But Gachagua has taken a whole year of terrorizing them. And now, kesho is a by-elections as in happen all over the country. Na Gachagua kesho ndio ataonyeshana who is the boss in this town, and it's going to be a one term. So jana alikuwa in Narok. The same Narok that alikuwa ameambiwa na some UDA people, usijaribu kukanyanga, alifika. Na akauliza watu wa Narok, nimefika sijafika, you must love Gachagua's pettiness. And that's the kind of person you need on your team to incite people time ya campaign. Juu campaign ni incitement. Ile yenye wakitoka hapo wanasikia like ni one term. Na hivyo ndivyo walitoka hapo wakimba. Because one thing about this government, na niliwaambia tena, when you're campaigning against this government, you don't have to say a lot, you just have to say the truth. And say the truth that resonates with the people of that particular region. Tuliona tu just this week that one of the Maasai elders, like ule mwenye he's very respected in the Maasai land. This government put a gag order through some colonizers wenye wanajenga in their land. Like wao ndio wako karibu na Mara, wao ndio wameishi na hizo animals for long, wao ndio wamekuwa kiona hii migration for so long, so many years. And then now watu wanakuja wakadanganywa mambo ya carbon credit and their land was taken away from them. Now wanakuja kulearn that the Masai Mara, like ile, it's even in their name. It's a Masai Mara. And these are the Masai people. But waki air out their views about their land that they have occupied for so many years, they were told to shut up ama utashikwa. If you have watched this video, kwanza hiyo ya carbon credit, they were lied. Hawako wanajua carbon credit ni nini. And then unakuja una realize that 1 acre of land utakuwa una compensate less than 1,000 shillings for 1 acre of land. Less than 1,000 shillings. So yeye Gachagua akienda huko anawaambia tu hizo tu. He doesn't have to say a lot. Anawaambia vitu zina resonate na watu wa Narok. And just like that, everyone was singing one term. And Gachagua is so petty. Juu alienda